Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. And what a morning it's been. There's something missing. Where did it go? I'll show you. So I just sprayed it off, as you can see on the evidence of the ground, to get all the grease off of it. So now I can sand that and get that taken care of so we can get that primed and painted. Yay. I love my job. I love my job. I love my job. That's what I keep telling myself this morning. Because we are excessively short-handed. Bobby's not here. He's at another client's house. Nick's not here. He's at another client's house. And it's just little old me. So we've got this panel painted. I got to tape everything up so that I can get into here so that there's no problems. I've got some sanding and stuff to do over here. Sanding and stuff to do here to get that taken care of. The bolts, I got to match up the threads, and I want to put some new ones on so that we have no more rusty bolts. That got just a quick lick and plugged back in because it's too hard to find another black replacement, good working horn. I've got a few things I got to tape up in here and get everything taken care of. But we are getting there. A little tedious today, but it's just one of those things that it is what it is. So I will give you guys another major update in a couple hours or so and see where our progress is. And we'll let you guys go for the moment.